it's possible to earn a good amount of money, especially people who use Restream. I could remember lots of people dropping videos about Restream, and all of that you can't earn on Restream. YouTube will not push your video and all of that. This is a social proof. I am a proof that you can actually use Restream to monetize your channel faster, and YouTube can still recommend your videos. Guys, look at the recommendation I got. Like, the most views came from YouTube recommendation. Like, this is mind-blowing. This is very, very exciting, and I'm very grateful. Hello, amazing person. Welcome and welcome back to the channel. If you're seeing me for the first time, this is Ajeri Style, and if it's not, you're welcome back to the channel. Like, I am super excited to be sharing this video with you guys. Like, oh, so as you guys know, one of my video recently went viral. Like, I'm super excited. Right now, that video is over 20,000 views. Okay, but I'm going to be sharing the revenue, how much YouTube paid me for that view. Okay, I'm going to be sharing how much YouTube paid me for 20,000 plus views. So let me take you guys along, okay, to show you how much a 20,000 views can actually earn on YouTube. Oh god, I'm so excited. So I'm going to be sharing all of the analytics with you guys. I'll start my screen record right now because I want to show everything, guys. So let us just quickly get into the video without wasting time. I'm going to start the screen record right now. Okay, so the screen record has started. As you can see on your screen, guys, like, this video, no watch hours, no subscribers, turn this off. Okay, as you can see, this video was published on the 17th of November 2024. That was about 2 weeks ago. Now, as you can see, the video performance of this video has had like 22.9k views. Okay, I'm just going to go into the details to show you, to expand the performance of this video. Let me just click this part and show you. Okay, yes, as you guys can see, this video has given me 22,916 views. This is as at the time I'm filming this video. As you can see, the graph, the arrow is going upwards, like it's going up, meaning the views are still coming in. I'm really grateful for that. So now I'm just going to scroll upwards and show you like how viewers found this video. If I click forward, you're going to see YouTube recommendation 19.6k. Like, YouTube recommended this video to a lot of people. You can see the YouTube homepage, you can see up next and all of that. Like, we have from other sources as well. You can see direct or unknown, that's 510 views, notifications, channel pages, external, YouTube search, playlist, watch history, watch later, end screen, subscription feeds, related shorts, personalized playlist, and short feeds. Like, these were how viewers found this video and they actually watched. Okay, so this is it's so good. Let me just go back and show you the audience retention. So this is actually a 4-minute video, guys, and my audience retention is 2 minutes and 18 seconds, which is giving us 47.9% of audience retention. So this is the real time. These auditors are not necessary. Now we're just going to head over to the watch time, like how many watch time this particular video has given me. As you guys can see, this is 880 watch hours. Wow, this video has given me 880 watch hours, and I'm just going to show you guys the reach of this video. The reach, like the impressions, is over 295,000 impressions. That's massive. Let's head over to, yeah, that's the click-through rate, 6%. I just want this to be as fast. I don't want this video to be long, guys. So let's just quickly do this. The click-through rate is 6% click-through rate. Over to the returning viewers. As you can see, we have 672 returning viewers for this video. If I click forward, you're going to see my new viewers, 15,305 new viewers and 672 returning viewers. So this is good. I'm going to head back and show you guys like the age of people watching this video. We have 13 to 17 are not watching, from 18 to 65 plus years are watching this video. Now the gender that are watching this video, we have male at 46.9%, then we have female at 53.0%, then user specified at 0.1%. Now let's head over to the top geography. Like where somebody is watching your video from matters a lot. That's going to affect how much you're going to earn. So let's see where most of my viewers watching this video are from, which is the top geography. Wow, as you guys can see, we have the United States as #1. Hey, thank you so much guys for watching. We have them at 27.1% people from United States watching the video, or watched the video, or still watching, because the video views are still going up. Then we have 11.9% from Nigeria, and we have 7.2% from India. And if I click forward, we're going to see United Kingdom at 5.3%, Kenyan at 3.5%. Like, this is amazing that the top people watching this video are from the United States, because you know it depends on the country where your viewers are from. Okay, that's going to affect your CPM and your RPM. So if your viewers are from like countries like the United States, United Kingdom, Germany, and all the Western countries, advertisers in those countries pay higher. So yes, you're going to be earning more if your most viewers are from countries like that. So I'm just going to show you how many subscribers this video has given me. Like, this video has given me 725 subscribers, guys. Wow, that's a whole lot. If you ask me, this is the highest subscribers I have gotten on one video. Like, it's a whole lot. Thank you guys. If you subscribed when you watched that video, you know I am grateful, right? Thank you so much. Now let's head over to the main business of the day, which is the revenue. God, I'm super excited. Like, I'm so happy to share this with you guys. So guys, this is my revenue. This is how much one video has earned me, guys. $103.22. Oh God, it feels so surreal, because oh my God, I'm so excited to see that. Yeah, this is for 20,000 views, guys. You know the video is over 20,000 views. This revenue you're seeing is only for 20k views. It takes like days to process and add up. Okay, so the ones that I've processed already is 20k views. Now this is my RPM, my CPM rather. My CPM is $10.54. So for every 1,000 view, the CPM for this video is $10.54. While the RPM, which is how much I get to receive, is $5.08. So as you can see, $5, you have to do the math and all of that. So this video has literally made me $103.28. Barely 2 weeks I posted this video. I'm so glad that this video got to this number of views and the revenue. Like, whew, I don't even know how to behave. I don't know how to express my excitement, because this is a lot. This is a whole lot. Oh guys, I'm so like, I don't even know how to feel, because it's just like I'm living in a dream. So I'm just going to give you guys a very short, quick backstory. There was one YouTuber, I don't know if you guys know Lydia Stanley. Okay, she's a vlog YouTuber. She posts videos about her lifestyle. So I was watching one of her videos, and she was trying to share her analytics with her viewers. She was like, hey guys, you guys are amazing. One of these video has given me over $100, you know. And she was like, thank you. She was thanking her subscriber in that vlog. So I was watching, I was like, one video $100, are you for real? Like, this is something small creators, like I've watched and I've seen videos of like small creators who just got monetized on YouTube, that they come and they share, they be like, oh, it took me 3 months to get to $100, it took me 6 months, some even more, to get $100 from YouTube. And when I watched that video, I was like, because I already know that after monetization, you have to work like hard. You have to put in the work to earn on YouTube. So when I watched that Lydia Stanley's video, I was like, $100, is it possible for a small creator to earn $100 on one video? You know, I was having this doubt in me, and Another side of me was like, Ajuri, like it can be possible. You can even earn, you know. I had that spirit tell me that, and I know that's the spirit of God. And I was like, oh yes, it's possible, and I'm going to claim it because I've seen this video, because I've watched this creator post this. I am going to earn $100 on one of my video. I said that and I burst out laughing because it seems like so impossible, but like, guys, I'm here to share with you that one viral video actually gave me $100. Like, if I allow this video to update and it gets to the views that it is right now, trust me, it's going to be more than the figures you guys saw earlier. So I don't even know how to express my gratitude to you guys, because if you didn't watch my video, I don't think I'll be earning on YouTube. If you skipped the ads, I don't think I'll be earning on YouTube. Like, this is all me being grateful. I'm so thankful for everybody who has seen my video, clicked my video, watched my video, and given me and gotten me to this milestone. I'm so happy. I'll be sharing with time, okay, how much each video earns me and how much I have earned total on YouTube. I'll always keep you guys updated. And this is not like I'm trying to brag or anything, but trust me, this is an encouragement to those that are just starting, because I was at that point where you are, where I had no clue what I was doing on YouTube. I was like, are you sure you're even going to get monetized? Are you sure you're even going to earn from YouTube? When is it going to happen? I was at that point. If you're watching me and you're a small creator and you have no idea what you're doing on YouTube, see, don't give up. That's just the only thing I can tell you. Do not give up. Put in your best, put in the work, and just leave the rest to God. It is possible to earn a good amount of money, especially people who use Restream. I could remember lots of people dropping videos about Restream and all of that you can't earn on Restream. YouTube will not push your video and all of that. This is a social proof. I am a proof that you can actually use Restream to monetize your channel faster, and YouTube can still recommend your videos. Guys, look at the recommendation I got. Like, the most views came from YouTube recommendation. Like, this is mind-blowing. This is very exciting, and I'm very grateful for everybody who has contributed to this success. Like, I'm very grateful. Any small creator watching this, your time is coming. YouTube is going to pay you. You're going to get monetized. Just don't give up. Just don't give up. It might not be tomorrow, it might not be next tomorrow, it might not be next week, but your time is definitely coming. Okay, use me as an inspiration to not give up on your YouTube channel. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please click on the video on your screen and watch. I hope to see you again in my next video. Thank you and bye.